When we looked at it, the last time we were there was at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, was something like 43 kilowatt hours for the day. So that is, bearing in mind that is the gross, so then it runs the house from there. So you'd be exporting off to the grid, probably roughly 20 kilowatt hours a day would be going to the grid. I went through a number of panels and a number of systems for him and explained it all to him because he's only just getting into solar. I said, to be honest, it's a no-brainer. You'll pay a little bit more for them at the end of the day, but through a good quality system, good quality panel, you're not going to have a problem. What have you been getting?
On average, around about 43 kilowatts a day.
Yes, that'd be about right. Yeah, 43. So that's this time of the year, bearing in mind that this is facing southeast. So in October, November, December, February, the sun will be over this side of us. So the Christmas period, when all the air conditioners are running, you're going to be doing probably like close on 50 kilowatt hours a day.
And the best thing, Bill, it'll be a $0 bill.
That's the important part, isn't it?
It is, mate, yeah.
It's money in the bank.
More money spent on the family.
He said that his last bill that he's just received was $360, I think it was, in credit. And so that's after running his house and everything else on his place. He's got to be happy Vegemite. We've done 43.2 kilowatt hours for the day, and it's now 3:45 in the afternoon. So we've still got another three hours to go of sunlight. So yeah, 40, 45, bit over, it'll do, a bit more. At the end of the day, the ground mount will be a little bit more expensive, but if they've got the room out in the rural area, you set it up right next to your meter box and you'll get a better feed going both ways, to the grid and back to your house. So that little ground mount system is very tidy, very neat.